Sit back and close your eyes. Take a long, slow, deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. It is time for you to enjoy a relaxing vacation. You have everything you need and are ready. Let's go. You are gently, easily, and effortlessly floating up into the sky. Your body, soul, and mind are free to go wherever you desire. The whole world is waiting for you to explore it. The sky is a crisp, clean blue, with several white, fluffy clouds. The air is comfortable and welcoming. A soft breeze blows through your hair, quietly fluttering throughout your clothes, refreshing your entire body completely. You feel clean and invigorated. This terrific feeling brings a bright smile to your face. Allow your happiness to run free, because you deserve this wonderful moment. It's beautiful. You observe below a lush, green, tropical island with a sandy white beach surrounding it. It looks very inviting. You feel lovingly drawn to this place of tranquility. A mesmerizing fragrance of wildflowers, ocean air, and exotic herbs fills your mind with curious thoughts of having a closer view of this place of paradise. Your body begins to descend slowly and gracefully until your feet touch the warm sand on the beach. The tiny grains massage the balls of your feet and tickle your toes. It feels so good. You let out a releasing sigh of relief that you are here. All of your cares have completely fallen away. You watch the waves as they roll into the shore. fresh, clean water rustles between your toes and over the tops of your feet, sending a rush of ecstasy up your spine. Nearby, you notice a table and 2 chairs made entirely of sparkling crystal. There is an array of fresh fruits, freshly baked breads, drinks, and many other delicious treats on the table. These were prepared just for you and the person of your choice. You sit down, and your best friend in the world joins you now. You are thrilled to see them. You embrace each other lovingly. It is very comforting knowing that they are here to share this memorable time with you. You are in the right place at the right time with exactly the right person. You are blessed. Savor this lovely afternoon and everything you do with your beloved friend for as long as you'd like. This time is yours because you are special and you are definitely worth it. When you are ready, you say a loving goodbye to your friend and know you will see each other again very soon. It's time for some peaceful moments alone by yourself. Listen to the quiet, the calm nature around you. You are happy and content. Remember that you are always loved and are a very dear person. I love you.